Hi, Danny from the Field Group. Going to give you a bit of an update today on the COVID-19 stimulus package from the government, both state and federal, and some action items that you should be considering in your business given the current economic climate. So firstly, the stimulus. Three key points being, firstly, the pay-as-you-go withholding. So based on your March business activity statements that are about to be lodged next month, you'll be entitled as an employer to between $20,000 to $100,000 back in pay-as-you-go withholding support over the next 6 months. So really important to be up to date, have all your single touch payroll obligations sorted, and maybe contacting your accountant to ensure that you're maximising your benefit from this stimulus, which is quite large and designed to ensure that we can continue to employ our staff. Second item is loan support. So government is going to back 50% of loans up to $250,000 from your banking institutions. We're encouraging clients to contact your bank, find out exactly the process, and anything that you need us to support you with, contact us and let us know what that is, and we can help you with it. And the third key item is the access to $10,000 from your superannuation if you lose your job or have a downturn in your business of up to 20%. So again, we're probably going to be able to help with some paperwork and supporting documents, but the actual initial process is going to be through MyGov and available around mid-April. So they're federal stimulus items. State stimulus, the main focus is the payroll tax. So any employer that has less than $3 million payroll, and that's not grouped for those that are in the payroll tax area, will get their payroll tax refunded for this current financial year that they've paid. And we're already seeing some contact from the State Revenue Office on that. And you're not going to have to pay your obligations between now and the end of June. And there's also a postponing of payments for the first quarter of next financial year to the January 2021. Banks, so it's been indicated that you'll be able to contact your banks for loan repayments being put on hold, which will include asset financing. You're going to have to prove hardship. There might be some supporting documents that you need for that, which we'll be able to help with. But initially, contact your bank, see what the process is. The next big thing is employers and dealing with your staffing. It may be that you need to reduce your staff's hours, which is going to involve some agreement from the staff. And if that can't be achieved, it may be that you need to look at redundancies. Or it may be that you're looking to stand down staff for a period of time because you've got to shut the doors. And again, if that doesn't work, you may then also have to look at redundancies. Really important area, important to get it right, and we're going to be putting up some fact sheets and some letter templates that are going to be able to help you with that. But if you do need to contact us, please do so, because we want to ensure that employers and employees get through this. ATO, we'd be certainly recommending preserve cash is a huge action item. So with the ATO, the indication is there's going to be some favourable terms available. So we'd be encouraging businesses to contact the ATO or have us do that for you. Just be mindful of the wait times at the moment. But you should be looking to do whatever you can to preserve cash in the business, and that includes with the ATO where they're going to assist. We certainly would suggest that you ensure that all your lodgements are up to date, because the stimulus is going to be based on having all these lodgements done. But then when it comes to payments, there's going to be deferral mechanisms up to four months for payments, allowing varying of previous pay-as-you-go instalments and upcoming, renegotiating existing payment plans and new payment plans. Landlords and tenants, you need to be talking to each other. There's nothing from the government saying that there's going to be a set reduction, but given the rent's a large expense in most businesses, we would suggest you start talking to each other and start looking at that space. Okay, so to wrap up, 5 action items for your business to consider. Number 1, preserve cash. So talk to the banks, talk to the asset funders, talk to the ATO, negotiate with your creditors, and just preserve as much cash as you can at this time. Number 2 is be across the federal and state stimulus packages, ensuring that you're getting everything you're entitled to. Number 3 is have a good continuity plan. So really important in these times where we've got partial shutdowns and full shutdowns, that you look to set yourself up by talking to your landlord and working with your staff as to how you can continue to trade. Number 4, be really open with your staff, let them know where they stand, and sort out how you're going to move forward. And lastly, ask for advice. We're here to help. Good luck.